Hello everyone. Welcome back to yet another video of our channel The Flavor of Home. I would like to thank you all for giving us such an amazing response for our first video. Today we are preparing prawns Hyderabadi biryani. Let me tell you the ingredients that will be required for this particular recipe. 250 grams of prawns, 125 grams yogurt, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon garam masala, 1 tablespoon coriander powder, 1 tablespoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon jeera powder, 1 tablespoon cooking oil, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, and salt you may put as per your taste. Now our next step is to mix all these ingredients into the prawns, mix it nicely and leave it aside for an hour to marinate. So we've added 250 grams of yogurt. This is 1 teaspoon garam masala. Now we'll be adding the oil. This is 1 tablespoon cooking oil. Next is 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon jeera powder. This is 1 tablespoon coriander powder, red chili powder, again 1 tablespoon, turmeric powder 1 teaspoon, lemon juice 1 tablespoon, and now we'll be adding some salt. Once all ingredients are added into the prawns, we'll give it a good mix. See to it that all ingredients get mixed well. So we'll give it a good mix for at least a couple of minutes. So after mixing it for a couple of minutes, like I said earlier, we will be leaving it aside for an hour for it to marinate. Simultaneously, we will take 500 grams of basmati rice and soak it in water for an hour. 1 hour later. So the next step is to boil water and add 1 tablespoon of cooking oil, 1 tablespoon of salt, one tablespoon of lemon juice, some mint leaves, 2 to 3 bay leaves, 2 to 3 green chilies. We'll put Javitri and Shahjeera. And next we will be adding a few star anise, black cardamom 1 or 2, few cloves 6 to 8, 6 to 8 green cardamom. And now we will let this water boil and mix all these spices nicely so the flavor of these spices get absorbed into the water. So we'll wait for some time, let the water boil and let all these spices, the flavor of the spices soak into the water. So our next step is to add the soaked 500 grams of basmati rice which we had kept for an hour into this boiling water and mix it nicely. So this is half kg basmati rice which we had kept for soaking for an hour. and now we had added the same rice into this boiling water, which is mixed with spices. We will again give it a good mix. And we will leave it like this till the rice is 80% cooked. So till the time our rice gets 80% cooked, we will transfer our prawns marinade into a thick bottomed vessel, and we will add some coriander leaves and mint leaves. Once that's added, we will also add some fried onions. So now our next step is to transfer the 80% cooked rice into the marinated prawns. You have to spread the rice evenly into the vessel. You need to keep spreading the rice evenly. Next step is to sprinkle some garam masala. This is an optional step. Then you may mix some kevda water with food color. Again, this is also an optional step. You may choose to skip this particular step. And lastly, we'll again top it with some mint leaves, coriander leaves and fried onions. The color looks beautiful, isn't it? Next, we will add some ghee. This is to give the entire biryani a very nice flavor. So the quantity of ghee is totally up to you. Here we have added about 2 tablespoons of ghee, and then we will close this lid and transfer the biryani to a higher flame. As you can see, now it will stay there on the higher flame for 10 to 15 minutes. So the biryani was on high flame for 15 minutes. Now we are going to leave it on a lower flame for about 10 minutes. So it's been 10 minutes. Now I'm going to shut the gas and leave it to rest for another 10 minutes. Another 10 minutes have passed and our biryani is ready. Guys, let's see how it looks. And there you go. Oh my god. Isn't it looking so colorful? And guys, the aroma. I wish you guys were here to feel the aroma. My god, it is so tempting. I can't wait. I can't resist myself from having this biryani. So guys, let me just serve this on my plate and I will see you soon. And finally, our prawns Hyderabadi biryani is absolutely ready. It is smelling so good. Guys, please let us know in the comment section below if you liked our recipe, and for many more such recipes, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.